What's up, guys? I'm standing in front of my new apartment here in California. We finally made it. They finally gave me the keys, and I am super excited to show you the empty apartment tour. Yeah, so I guess I'll just take you to my crib and we just walk around and I just show you what's not here yet. And the lighting just went all the way off. Oh, there we go, there we go, there. So yeah, here we go. Start you off in the living area. Apparently that's, I don't know, but a little accent wall for you. It's pretty big living area, well, big enough for me. Just peek to the side. Guess this is the little dining area aside from my kitchen. And let me take you to the kitchen. White countertops, white cabinets, gray cabinets. My refrigerator is coming in. This is the kitchen. Super nice. Take you into the bathroom. Bathroom. Take you into the first room. And then the second room. And back to the living room. Nothing too extravagant, but enough for me. I think the kitchen is the dopest part of the house. The view from the kitchen. So guys, that was the apartment. Super excited for what's to come. Yeah, now we just wait for stuff to actually get here. Like, my car's not even here yet. Our refrigerator, TV, everything else is coming soon. So I'll be showing you once I actually put everything in the crib. I'll be giving you another tour of how we designed the place. And yeah, we did it, we made it, and I'm super excited. Please like, comment, let me know what you like about the apartment. Super excited to show you all what our house is gonna look like, what our apartment look like as soon as it's furnished. And with that being said, you know what to do, stay wavy. I'll see you all next time. Yeah.